You want to get to the back of your chair, because what we're going to do now is we're going to create a little bit of strength in our legs and particularly in our hips. And these are the muscles that we use for balancing. So we're going to make them strong first, and then we'll do a balance and see if it helps. We're going to take the right foot out to the side, and the foot is facing forward. The toes are facing forward. Good. Once you're there, I want you to lift it up a little bit higher. And once you do that, you should feel it here on the outside, right? So that's the muscle that we're working right now, creating strength. Good. And hold that. Good. Come back in. Now the other side. So left leg goes out. Remember, the toes are facing forward. That's an important angle. And you'll see why in a second. And then lift it up just a little bit. Even could be just another inch. Make sure the toes still stay forward. Good. I should feel like you're really working that, aren't you guys? You're really working it. You feel it in your butt. Come back in. Now, skiing. Remember that motion of skiing where you're taking your hip out and you're looking behind you? That is going to be stretching that exact same muscle group that we were just strengthening. So that's an important counter pose. It tones the muscle after we make it strong. Good. When you come back in, we're going to do the same. The right foot's going to go out again. This time you're going to turn the right toes in and the heel out. Where do you feel it? Everybody right in here, huh? All in here. These are the gluteus medius and minimus muscles. These are the ones that hold you strong when you balance. So that's why we're holding that, because we're trying to get that strong. Good. Come, bring it back in. Okay, so take it out to the side. Hold it. Toes in, heels out. And if you could identify where that is, you can maybe just hold it there, or you just notice. These are the muscles that you need for balance. Good. Come back in. Ski. Little ski. Doesn't that feel good now? That little skiing sensation just to get those hips to stretch out. Good. Now we're going to do one last one. So now it's the right foot out. Toes facing forward to begin with. Now, toes out, heels in. If you don't feel anything, then you lift it up just a little bit outward. Do you feel it underneath almost a little bit? In the side here, sometimes in the inner, but definitely maybe in deeper into the butt. Good. That's an external rotation of your hip. Good. Bring it back down. And then the last one. Left foot out, toes first facing forward, and then turn. So the whole bone turns into your hip. Good. Look how far you can go on that. External rotation. Anybody feel it in their butt? Definitely in there. Good. And come back in. And last one, skiing. Skiing. Okay, so now we're going to use all those little muscle groups, which are most of the gluteus. There's 3 gluteus muscles. Most of those are going to be used in this pose. So we're going to take the right hand up with the palm facing in and the left foot back. So now the right leg is bearing all the weight, and those strong hip muscles are holding you. Now this is the advanced version. If you want to go for it, the left arm is going to come forward to match up with the right. Good. You're going to hold your balance. And if that's not feeling good, you take that hand back to the chair. Good, and then release it. Okay? Shake it. Shake it. Other side. Left hand. Palm in, right foot. Okay, so there's your balance. You should feel those muscles working on the left side. And if you want to, you can just hover like this. You know, that's a good starting point. And if you want to just go for it, then you're reaching. Good. Balancing, good. And then lower, good. And then shake it out. And shake it out.